Namaste students. खुश रहो बेटिया. I Jvin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Validation Master Plan. Validation Master Plan topic belongs to the Quality Assurance subject for the B Pharm 6th semester students. So now we come to the Validation Master Plan. Validation Master Plan, a document providing information on the company's validation work program. It should define detail of and time scale for the validation work to be performed. Responsibilities relating to the plan should be stated. So, validation master plan according to WHO guidelines. This definition belongs to the WHO guidelines. The validation master plan is a high-level document. The validation master plan is a high-level document that establishes an umbrella validation plan for the entire project and summarizes the manufacturer's overall philosophy and approaches. It provides information on the manufacturer's validation work program and defines detail of and time scale for the validation work to be performed, including a statement of the responsibilities of those implementing the plan. Qualification or validation. A system must be qualified to operate in a validated process. A system must be qualified to operate in a validated process. Qualify a system and or equipment. Validate a process. Example, quality and autoclave, whereas you validate sterilization process. That is called as the sterilization process is a validate, and autoclave quality is a qualification of the instrument. Now we come to the definition of the qualification. Documented evidence that premises system or equipment are able to achieve the predetermined specification properly installed and work correctly and lead to the expected result. Validation, action of providing and documenting that any process, procedure, or method actually and consistently lead to the expected result. Validation master plan, qualification and validation planning of validation. Master plan is differentiated into different types. First one is qualification and validation, planning for validation, documentation, qualification, process validation, cleaning validation, change control, and revalidation. Purpose of validation master plan. Purpose of VMP should present on overview of the entire validation operation, its organizational structure, its content and planning. A VMP help management to know the validation plan for time and people of money, and understand the necessity for the program. A VMP help all members of the validation team to know their tasks and responsibilities. A VMP helps GMP inspectors to understand the firm's approaches to validation and organization of all validation activities. Organizational structure, its content and planning. Is it one-time activity? Qualification and validation cannot be considered once-off exercise. For example, the startup of a new manufacturing operation, it is an ongoing program, should follow its first implementation. Validation master plan. Validation master plan should be detailed by the risk analysis. Risk analysis divided into three parts: qualification, validation of computerized system, and validation. Qualification, validation of computerized system are merged by the design qualification, installation qualification, operational qualification, and performance qualification. Now next one is validation, process validation, cleaning validation, and analytical method validation. So this is overall the VMP master plan. VMP procedure, purpose and scope. responsibilities, validation policy, qualification of facilities, system, equipment, and utilities, validation process, cleaning analytical method, and personal qualification, documentation format, protocol, and reports, requalification and revalidation, while change and periodic manner, planning and scheduling, change control, qualification and validation based on risk. So this is the validation schedule. So this is the complete session of the validation master plan. Validation master plan, it is very important for the validation. This session belongs to the quality assurance subject for the B Form 6 semester students. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Every problem resolving class on every Tuesday. So thank you students, and thank you for the listening.